Hey, how's it going?
It's going well, man. How are you?
I'm just here to see if you guys are willing to take responsibility for your actions that led to the January 6th insurrection.
Take What is this, like a college paper? What
I
are you
mean,
talking-
no, you sell guns.
yeah, we
Like,
sell
this
guns. What is that supposed to mean?
This is what was used in the insurrection.
And what insurrection?
The January 6th insurrection.
Oh, the insurrection. Yeah, that was worse than
The worst-
9/11. Worse
yes.
than 9/11. I get it. Yeah.
It was.
Yeah.
Look, we'll take anything. I mean, you can give us cash, check, anything you want to do.
Oh, you
It's
want money?
reparations.
Where's the money going?
It's reparations.
Where's the money going?
It's going to help the families that were negatively affected.
Really?
There was so much harm that was done.
Yeah. I really trust you.
Look,
really
you
do.
can just sign the petition right
No,
here,
actually,
right
look.
here.
You see that sign,
Look,
Louisiana
look.
Firearms?
Right
Just
here,
add
right here,
.com
please.
to it. Go submit a
Right here.
request. That's fine. You can do that. I'm not helping you right now.
What
You
does
can
it take to get one of those? What kind of license do you have to have?
What kind of license? Do you have a driver's license?
That's all you need to get one of those?
I'm done. Get out.
Those kill people. Those kill people. I'm so done with the gun industry.